great to be with you this week. My question for the week is, what's your favorite flower? How special is it to have flowers around us? Most of us love a beautiful flower garden, if we have a green thumb. The warm sun brings wonderful colors to these amazing flowers. And how special is it to give and or receive flowers? Oh, we always think it must be a special occasion to get some flowers. But flowers bring smiles, and flowers soften our hearts. Flowers represent love and care, and flowers send a message that someone is thinking of us. Now hold on to that thought. Hold on to all the positive feelings that flower gives us. Now, what if we're having conflict with someone? What if in our imagination we can offer that person a flower? What if someone's screaming at us, or we're having a bad moment in a meeting, or it's just an uncomfortable situation? Imagine our favorite flower, the most beautiful flower. Imagine if we stop, breathe, and smile, and in our imagination, offer this flower to that person. And then sit back and observe. Their demeanor hopefully will change. We have the power to change the world around us with our thoughts and our actions. Using our imagination to present that flower, to diffuse the situation, it is possible to change the situation. So my action item for the week is, 1, pay attention to how flowers make you feel. And 2, if we come upon a situation or a person where there's conflict, practice our breath, practice our smile, and practice using this flowerful gift in our imagination to this person. Observe and see things change. And so my word of the week is rose. The R is to rise above the drama, not to get pulled into situations that drain our energy and waste our time. Remove ourselves with a smile, and whatever is not in our best interest does not deserve our time. The O is for oasis, a place of calm in the midst of chaos. And you know what? We can make our own oasis when we stop, breathe, and step out of the fray. The S is for shield, to protect, and to protect ourselves, because it is healthy to have boundaries. We want to protect our time, our energy, our resources, because when we're flowing with life, we are the captain of our ship. We do not want the tugboats out there in the harbor pulling us in multiple directions. The E is for embrace. So embrace what's important to us, embrace our path, embrace our journey. Find some flowers, enjoy the vibrant colors, focus on how they make us feel, and then share them with others when they're having a bad moment. Have a great week, everybody.
I know you can't get enough of Jean. Well, you can go to thetruthayf.com for more of Jean's Words of the Week.